What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu here today, and we got some big stuff that going on inside Shiba Inu that's way beyond the technicals. But anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know exactly what you want me to go over next. Also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. I'll be getting to the videos soon. But anyways, I have a lot to go over. But also, definitely, if you want these vital algo indicators, definitely go out and check that link in the description and use the discount code Marcellus for 25% off of vital algo. It is one of the best trading indicators out there. But anyways, let's go over this now with Shiba Inu. So the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 40% here with SHIB. You can see here we were a little bit oversold once we came off this overbought here area here on the oscillator. You can see now though we are forming up a little bit of selling pressure right here on the oscillator, so definitely prepare for a little bit of a dip. But I do want to say something here with Shiba Inu. So you can see that right now SHIB is still inside of like a consolidation mode. You see we have huge support here at the 50 area, and it really hasn't been going below that area too much. Like, yeah, we did briefly touch the 45 area back here, briefly touched the 43 area, but we've been having some steady support here. Now, I already went over the technical analysis yesterday, but I'm not going to go over too much of the technicals today because there's a lot of fundamental stuff we have to talk about with Shiba Inu. But anyway, Shiba Inu price is seeing further respect of the pennant formation on a weekly chart. So SHIB price saw bulls trying to keep the price action above the weekly pivot at the 5433 area, but failed. And with the consolidation continuing, the weekly RSI is pointing to overbought. So we are in consolidation, and they're pretty much saying it is a little bit overbought. You can even see it here on the oscillator that SHIB was a little bit overbought there. A lot of people came in, a lot of people came out. That's what keeps happening with SHIB. You know, the bears, or I mean the temporary traders, you know, the get rich quick crowd, they pretty much come in and then come out. They just come in and make whatever profits they can and leave SHIB, and they do this all the time. But we're going to be going over some more stuff that's going to help SHIB grow, so we don't really need to get rich quick people. But anyway, Shiba Inu price sees bulls losing grip as momentum moves against it, but we could see some we could see some support here at the 0.0005 area. That's what I was talking about previously, how we had the support here, and we do not want to move below it. Like you can see, SHIB has just been steady staying above that area, which is pretty good right there. I definitely am happy that SHIB did not just crash, but it does say that SHIB could retest the 45 area and that we could eventually test the 35 area if we can't stay above the 50 area. Now, with the bullish analysis, we could continue to rise to the 75 area, and I'll read over that briefly. So, if bulls can shrug off the weekly RSI and oversold territory and market sentiment shifts back to being a tailwind instead of a headwind, expect the bullish breakout to about the 7,500 area. And then if it continues, then expect the 88 area. So we're going to go over other stuff though, because I really didn't want to make this like a technical analysis video. I wanted to go over this huge listing. So the big listing that is out now is Gemini. So crypto exchange Gemini lists Shiba Inu as number of holders increases. So now we are on Gemini. Gemini is actually a pretty big exchange. So this is actually pretty big. And I don't know why SHIB's price isn't, going crazy after getting listed to Gemini. But, it's still pretty good for Shiba Inu. It's still pretty good for the Shibarmy. So crypto exchange Gemini has added support for popular meme coin Shiba Inu amid growing interest. Gemini announced that it has now supports SHIB in addition to a few new DeFi, metaverse infrastructure, and data management tokens. So the exchange's new addition comes as holders of the meme coin are steadily increasing. We are almost past 1 million holders. Right now we are at 962,000 people. That's 962,422. Hit the refresh button, 962,563. So sooner or later, we're going to end up passing that. We're going to end up being at 1 million because about every 5-10 minutes, we get about 100 new people into Shiba Inu. That is a lot of people in the Shiba Inu about every, 5-10 minutes. That's a lot of people. A lot of people getting into Shiba Inu. Let's keep going over this though. So this is their official announcement. They said we are delighted to announce Shiba Inu support as well as a range of new DeFi, metaverse infrastructure, and data management tokens. So Shiba Inu has been added. Audius has been added. Mask Network has been added. Wrapped Centrifuge has been added. Quant has been added. Radical has been added. Burn, Superior, Fetch.ai, I don't know what that is, and Numere. So pretty much a lot of utilities, A lot of tokens that have a lot of utilities to them have been added to Gemini, and it's really cool that Sheep got added next to all these tokens that have actual use cases. I'm not saying Sheep doesn't have actual use cases. You can definitely pay for things online with Sheep and stuff like that, but it doesn't have the type of use cases that all these other cryptos got added. So it's just big that a community token got added next to all of these different infrastructure, DeFi, metaverse, and data management tokens. So it definitely puts us on another level with Sheep. So, anyways, so Sheep's recent listing on Gemini's platform is a sign of how much users are demanding the coin. In fact, the petition for another major exchange, Robinhood, is going to be listed too. So we may also get listed on Robinhood. So that's pretty good news. And remember, last week the Robinhood COO and vice president of the crypto talked about Shiba Inu. She said she loves the community of Shiba Inu, but she said they're not going to announce when they list anything. So they're just going to go out right and do it. So we may actually get on Robinhood very soon, but they're not going to announce it. So we'll never know in like the meantime. We'll just know when it gets listed. Pretty much like with Gemini. Gemini didn't announce it was listing Sheep. They just kind of listed it. So that's probably the best way to do it anyway. So people can't wait for it to come out and then sell when it comes out and make it drop. But anyways, Shiba Inu Senate candidate Shannon Bragg, crypto should be part of our politics. So this Senate person, he's really big on Shiba Inu, and he's from North Carolina. So I really do hope he becomes the senator, because that's definitely gonna help out. That's gonna help out the whole crypto space, really, not just Shiba Inu. But yeah, Shannon Bray, a U.S. Navy veteran and North Carolinian, is hoping the second time, and one particularly frothy meme coin will be the charm of his political aspirations. So previously, Bray ran for Senate in 2020 with no luck. This time around, the 49-year-old died, and the wool libertarian honed his agenda to focus on cryptocurrencies, with Shiba Inu digital coin taking center stage. So yeah, this is going to be pretty good. I definitely hope that he gets into the Senate, and I definitely hope he helps make some change with crypto, so we don't get some heavy regulations, and so we don't get banned and stuff like that. But anyways, fed up and not getting paid, pretty much, Bray discovered a North Carolina seat inside the Senate had opened up, and it temporarily without work thought he might be able to fix the inefficiencies of government at the legislative level. So I guess he has some plans actually for more than just crypto, but he's really big on Shiba Inu. If you check out his Twitter, he always tweets about Shiba Inu, always talks about it. So he's really big on it. And he said over here, hopefully we can get more crypto representatives in Washington, D.C. to make relations more friendly for retail investors. We definitely don't like to see regulation squashing innovation. So that's definitely true. Hopefully he can get in, so then we don't get a bunch of regulations. And this could really help everyone. Crypto is for the people. It's for the people, made by the people. So no one else but the people should have control of crypto, in my opinion, and in everyone's opinion, pretty much. But over here, he said he purchased 100 million sheep. So right here on Twitter, he pretty much tweeted that he purchased 100 million sheep tokens and will donate the entire wallet to shelter the homeless veterans once the value is at or above 1 cent, which is going to take a while, but hopefully it can actually get to that price. I mean, it'll take a very long time. I think he said it at least made it to like 3 zeros, and that would be better. But yeah, it's gonna take a little while to get there. So he put his address out here, his wallet address, and you can really just look it up on Google. You just copy it and paste it. That's the beautiful thing about Google and crypto, is everything is literally on here. So you can just type in the wallet address, and it could probably pop up somewhere here. But the only place where it's popping up is Twitter. So you'll probably have to manually type it in inside of the Etherscan. But yeah, anyways, Shiba Inu doing good things. We have a senator with us. We have big stuff going on for Shiba Inu. But anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. Just wanted to come here and talk to you about the fundamentals of SHIB and about the good news that we have, the big listing with Gemini that we just now had, and the technicals leading us to another possible bull run after this consolidation. So hopefully we can do that, but we just got to continue to wait, see what happens here, because that's just how crypto is. It's pretty stagnant right now. Anyways, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal to the donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.